know that feeling. You place an order with a full expectation, receive the good and see that the hair is so beautiful. But after the first wash, your customer complains, "The hair is too tangled, I can't comb it." You don't know how to explain, you only can worry, what if I lost this customer? If you have ever experienced this feeling, then this video is for you. Although we have been in the hair extension business for over 20 years and 10 years of manufacturing experience, but there is an experience from my beginning of my career that everyone in my factory remembers to this day. This is a bloody lesson that follows us until now. So I want to share it with you as a luxury wholesaler that you cannot make this mistake again. At that time, our boss spent several months of effort and money to find good source of good import a large shipment. I thought the hair could be beautiful as advertised by the supplier because it looked really beautiful and the price is very cheap, much cheaper than other suppliers. It seemed like this was a good business opportunity and my boss spent a large amount of money, even borrowing, to import goods. But you know what? How hard have we tried to find customers, convince them to buy experience? We're so happy, like we were the happiest people in the world. But what when received back were customer feedback that after sampling, their hair was tangled and could not be combed. They are disappointed. They complain, and the worst thing is they don't come back again. From then on, every time a new package is opened, because when we first started our business, no one told us to avoid that thing like that. So we all pray that our hair will be beautiful this time. Not tangled, not covered in silicone. But what about reality? No one can guarantee 100% if there are no way to check from the beginning. And just like that, I always feel passive and worry every time I receive goods, even purchase, because I can't control this. Why this deceived me? Many times like this, we have exhausted our capital and are on the verge of bankruptcy. So it's really only when you spend a lot of money, experience a lot, think a lot, and learn a lot. Or maybe you are lucky enough to be good by others, so you truly understand the importance of knowing how to classify good hair from bad hair. And today, I'm here to show you 2 secrets to not losing money on non-Remy hair bundle. I want you to avoid the mistake I made. So, the first way to avoid non-Remy hair is check your hair direction. Stroke your hair in 2 directions. If you see your hair is curled or wavy, it means that your hair has mixed direction. This is a sign that your hair is collected from many shops, not high quality whole hair. I learned this from receiving the wrong product many times. The second way is try to washing. If your hair is frizzy, tangled, and cannot be combed, so it is non-Remy hair. Many places cover hair with silicone to give its beautiful shine when dry, but just the one wash, the truth is revealed. I don't want you to have to go through the mistake I made. The solution is to choose a reputable shop. Carefully check a part of hair before selling it. Don't root the conclusion because of the cheap price before experiencing the product. At Nasahair, every month, we have 500 to 700 of high quality raw hair available. I'm a dread to have you to do business with a speed of mind. You are not alone. I'm here to help you to find quality product. And if you want to control the quality from the beginning, contact Nasahair today.